Music. Is AirVPN the right VPN for you? Let's find out. Check the description for links and explore it yourself after this review. AirVPN prioritizes privacy, security, and transparency above all else. Designed by privacy advocates, it's perfect for tech-savvy users who value robust protection. Utilizing OpenVPN and WireGuard, AirVPN delivers high-level encryption and secure data transmission. Their independently verified no-logs policy ensures your data stays private. AirVPN's unique DNS routing, without third-party DNS services, adds another layer of anonymity. Bypass censorship and geo-restrictions effortlessly, perfect for users in restrictive locations. Port forwarding and dynamic IP options are a bonus for torrenting and gaming. AirVPN supports a wide range of devices, from Windows and macOS to Linux, Reuters, and even Raspberry Pi. The interface prioritizes customization over simplicity, offering power users granular control. Speeds are reliable and consistent across servers in 20+ countries, focusing on quality over quantity. AirVPN is also incredibly transparent, offering detailed server load, uptime, and real-time stats on their website. Active community forums further demonstrate their user engagement. Pricing is fair and straightforward with simple monthly, quarterly, and yearly plans. AirVPN isn't for everyone. If you need a beginner-friendly, polished app, look elsewhere. But if privacy, customization, and transparency are key, AirVPN excels. Explore further using the links below.